The times were sad. This camera was with me throughout my journey to Ladakh, and not to mention all the other videos on my channel. And now, even with the full battery charged, it wasn't replying to my calls. No matter what buttons I pressed, it just refused to turn on. And that's when I knew the GoPro was dead. But luckily, I had 1 week of warranty left. So here's what I did and what you need to do to claim the warranty on your GoPro. Now, if you live in India, beware of this site. It's fake, and just scroll down and head over to the official GoPro support page. And if you see this page, make sure you are in their working hours, and if you have selected the right country, which is in my case is India. And once you have selected your country, the page should look something like this. Now you just fill out all the details. First of all, your product, the serial number, and if you don't know where to find the serial number, they also have given the link where you can find where the serial number is. Now you need to put down the reason for contact, your first name, your last name, your phone number, and then your email, and just hit contact us. Now after this, you should receive a call, and once your claim is approved, you will receive an email which will look something like this. It will have all the instructions that you need to follow to return your GoPro. There will also be a PDF attached to the email that you need to print, which you will need to hand over later while shipping the GoPro. And after all this process, it was time to pack my GoPro. I wrapped it in a nice bubble wrap and put it in a box, and now it was ready to go. After around 10 days, I received a package from GoPro. This is me using my professional skills to unbox a package with one hand while holding the phone in my other hand. First come the battery. Yeah, the battery. Again, professional unboxing skills. I bet tearing this down is going to be fun. What the? Anyways, let's try again. And there it is, brand new GoPro Hero 9. Now since they have stopped the production of GoPro Hero 8, they have sent me a Hero 9 instead. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I hope this video helps you in your warranty claim process, and I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.